In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to install Google Forms as an app on Windows 11. By the end, you'll have Google Forms running in its own clean window, just like a native app. So it's faster to launch and easier to keep focused without extra browser tabs. First, make sure you're on Windows 11 and that you have Google Forms open in your browser. It's best to navigate to forms.google.com or to the specific form or forms dashboard you use most often. If you work across multiple Google accounts, sign in to the correct one before you begin, because the app will open whatever page you're currently viewing. Look to the upper right corner of your browser and click the three dots, also known as the menu or More button. This opens the main browser menu with a list of options. The wording and layout can vary slightly depending on your browser version, but the dots are always in the top right. Next, hover your mouse over the Save and Share section in that menu. Don't click yet. Just pause your cursor on it. A side menu will slide out with related options. If your browser has a slightly different layout, this option may be grouped under a similar category. The key is to open the submenu that contains the option to install the current page as an app. Now click Install Page as App. This tells Windows to create a lightweight, app-like version of the page you're on. You should see a small confirmation window appear. It will suggest a name for the app, usually Google Forms, or the title of the page you opened. You can keep the suggested name or adjust it to something that makes sense for your workflow. Renaming is optional and won't affect functionality. Finally, click Install. Windows will set everything up and then open Google Forms in its own standalone window, without the usual browser tabs and address bar. From now on, you can launch it like any other app. Depending on your system settings, Windows may also create shortcuts, so it's easy to find. The installed experience is great for staying organized, since Forms will behave more like a dedicated tool and less like one more tab in a crowded browser. If you don't see the Save and Share or Install Page as app options, make sure you're using a modern browser on Windows 11 and that it's up to date. Also confirm you're on the Google Forms site when you perform these steps. That's it. Google Forms is now installed as an app on your Windows 11 device, ready for quicker access and a cleaner workspace.